This week we are working on continuing our time unit, and we've been working on finding the elapsed time and finding the end time. So bear with me here. I'm doing this on my iPhone because the iPad, it was not cooperating tonight. So it's going to be a little bit hard to read, but hopefully it'll help anyways. I'm going to do 2 of the examples of homework, and hopefully, guys, you can use those to check to make sure they're solving them correctly. Angela got to the park at 3:40 p.m. She stayed for 1 hour and 35 minutes. When did she leave? So 3:40 p.m. is our start time, and 1 hour and 35 minutes is our elapsed time. So we've talked about in class when we have a start time and elapsed time, we can add the two. So we're going to set it up with 3:40 and 1 hour and 35 minutes. And we can add the two together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So we get 475. And we've talked about in class, that's not a real time. That's not a time we say and we see on the clock. So what we do when it's 60 or more with the minutes is we do something called cash it in. And when we cash it in, what we do is we're going to take out an hour and give it to the hour side. So we're going to subtract 60 because there are 60 minutes in an hour. 5 take away 0 is 5. 7 take away 6 is 1. And that 60 minutes we're going to give to the hour side, and the 4 becomes a 5. Our end time is 5:15. Okay, now we're going to look at this side. Mary went to piano practice at 3:15 and finished at 5:30. So on this one, we have a start time, which is 3:15, and an end time, which is 5:30. So when we have 2 times, we're going to do a timeline. Our timeline is going to start at 3:15. First thing we ask ourselves is, can we go an hour? We can. So we can go to 4:15 next. And then we can go to 5:15. And then the kids may skip count by whatever they prefer that makes sense to them. I'm going to show 5s. So after 15, we have 20, 25, and 30. Okay, so we go back. We had 1 hour, 2 hours, 5, 10, 15. So we have 2 hours, 15 minutes is our elapsed time.